And the next award for, oh, this was a good one. This is a very good one. It's for gaming, yes? Which is brought to you by Polar Ice Cream 2. Let's see the nominations first.
Gaming category. Brought to you by Polar Ice Cream. The nominees are Gaming with Talha, Mr. Triple R, It's Gabbo, Sinister Plays, Arpon Plays YT. And the winner...
Okay, any guesses? Gaming category. Any guesses? A industry ta onek interesting. Gaming category, okay. The winner is...
And the winner is...
And the winner is...
Triple R! Congratulations! Triple R, are you here? Amra ashole onake খুঁজছি.
Mr. Triple R?
Yes, he's here.
He's here.
Full like a gamer vibe. Congratulations. ভাই কি কিছু বলতে চান? Yes, because আপনাদেরকে enough spotlight দেওয়া হয় না.
ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে যে আমি ট্রিপল আর না, আমি ট্রিপল আরের ভাই। আর থ্যাংক ইউ কাকে কাকে বলবো। তো ট্রিপল আর আমি ওপি, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Congratulations.
Thank you so much for
ভাইয়ের
coming on
হয়ে
stage.
সুন্দর একটা স্পিচ দিছেন।
Thank you so much for your presence. Thank you.